Where to get your theme. Getting your theme for your website is very easy. Go to themeforest.net and you will see it. So you have different category on WordPress. You can choose the category you want and various website design. This is HTML, Shopify, and so on and so forth. It is amazing. And you can get your theme as low as $20 to as high as $200 depending on the site that you want to design. So let's take a look at this. Let's choose so far. It's an amazing e-commerce web template. You can configure within a minute. Your website will be running. Let's pick one of the demo and check how our site would look like if we use this. And this is simply amazing. See the detailed page of this site. Has everything and a lot of features.